Welcome in Tech and Tech. In this short tutorial, I will show you how to turn off notification vibration on your Samsung device. Notifications can be helpful, but the constant buzzing and vibrating can be distracting or annoying. Fortunately, Samsung provides an easy way to disable this feature. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down a bit and tap Sounds and Vibration Vision. After that, scroll down and tap Notification Vibration. And now, to turn off notification vibration on your Samsung device, simply tap and select the silent option. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.